In the Quran, Allah informs us that He loves those who are patient and has promised His eternal reward for those who adopt sabr as a principle. And we surely give those who exercise sabr their reward according to the best of what they used to do. It is important, however, to understand that sabr doesn't mean doing nothing in the face of adversity. Sabr is about enduring calamities without being ungrateful to Allah. It implies forbearance and restraint in difficult times instead of allowing our anger to dictate our actions. Patience isn't about suppressing your emotions. When the Prophet ﷺ's son passed away, he shed tears of sorrow but did not complain about Allah's decree. And when the Muslims were persecuted in Makkah, they exhibited patience but also defended themselves by migrating to Abyssinia. The concept of sabr is deeper than just patience or restraint. Sabr requires resilience and determination, taking action to end one's hardship rather than meekly surrendering to the circumstances. This can be seen in different ways, but 4 common features include: 1. Crying while remaining grateful to Allah. You may not be able to control the tears from your eyes, but be mindful of the words uttered by your tongue. Trust in Allah's plan, knowing there is surely some goodness in whatever He has planned for you. 2. Feeling like giving up, but taking the next step. Your hope in Allah should keep you moving forward despite all obstacles. If you lose your job, look for a new one. If you fall sick, go to the doctor. Once you take all the practical steps to improve your condition, Allah will help you overcome your trial. 3. Expressing your grief and sorrow to Allah. Prophet Yaqub ﷺ exhibited beautiful patience and was eventually united with his son Yusuf ﷺ. Sabr means to keep asking Allah until your wish is granted, or your Lord blesses you with a much better and higher reward. 4. Making dua even when you feel no change. Even if your duas aren't fulfilled immediately, you are being rewarded in the unseen world. Your ranks are being elevated, your bad deeds are being wiped off, and the evil around you is being vanquished by Allah's invisible armies. Most importantly, sabr is worship. Instead of feeling self-pity, anger or sadness, cultivate a fighting spirit, deriving motivation from the fact that no difficulty lasts forever, and persevering with gratitude is the way of the Prophets, alayhi salatu wassalam.